Let's start with MTN. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Now let's start with MTN Ghana free browsing tutorials. Okay, so what I would want you to do is to go to Play Store. Second one. Yeah, go to Play Store and you search for this app, Anoni Tune. We have the Pro version and you have the normal version. I'll choose the this version for the purpose of this video. So you download, it's just a small file. Okay, please just follow as I do on your MTN SIM and connect. If you like it or if it worked for you, please try as much as you can to like and then share for me. So you turn on still tunnel and come to, you choose TCP port 8080, then you come and hit custom TCP stroke HTTP headers, then you click, you open, you change the URL host to www.mtnplay.com.gh. You get me? We change request method to get. Injection method should be normal. Then you take online host. You take keep alive, and then you take user agent. Then you generate. Then you validate. Then you save. This method is very important. Please, once again, after inputting everything, you generate first, you validate, and then you save. Then you save again. Okay, so you try with internet data, switch off my Wi-Fi, switch to my data, and you connect. Oh, my network is very slow. This is Edge.